Hello dear all. In this presentation, I will be discussing the concept of suppression by Dr. Hahnemann's view. So what is suppression? It is inhibition of expression of vital force. So vital force expresses in the form of signs and symptoms, and removal of these signs and symptoms with the help of some external applications by some surgery or by cauterizations will remove the symptoms, but the internal malady or internal dyscrasia remains the same. So let's see further. So suppression is inhibition of expression of vital force. So what is suppression? Susceptibility gets affected by the noxious stimuli and reaction is generated. So this is nothing but in the form of manifestation of signs and symptoms. So this energy release is nothing but in the form of signs and symptoms. Homeopathy modifies susceptibility and removes the tendency to suffer from chronic diseases. So, homeopathy modifies susceptibility and removes the tendency to suffer from chronic diseases, and cure is the result. So the homeopathic remedies are acting on the susceptibility or on the vitality of the patient, and thus it modifies it and brings cure. Whereas in the modern medicine or allopathy, it acts on the noxious stimuli. So their action is to remove the noxious stimuli, that is the organisms, bacteria, viruses, parasites, fungi, etc. So their action is on the noxious stimuli. So these drugs kill the noxious stimuli and they don't have any role in modifying susceptibility. Thus, they cannot remove the tendency to suffer from these diseases. So the modern medicine removes the organisms. Their target is to kill the organisms. So no doubt the patient will be feeling better, but the tendency inside or the roots cannot be removed. The roots remain inside to develop disease. So suppression is inhibition of expression of vital force. So on the left hand side it is cure because the susceptibility is modified, and on the right hand side you see suppression. It means the reaction, the energy release in the form of signs and symptom was removed. The susceptibility is not modified. So cure is the result of modification of the susceptibility by homeopathic remedies. Whereas in the modern medicine, the signs and symptoms which are visible are removed by the ointments, by surgery, by cauterization. Thus, the internal malady remains the same. So, suppression is inhibition of expression of vital force, which is often seen in the case of the treatment by modern medicines. Suppression is in this energy cannot be destroyed, it can only be transformed. Thus, in suppression, when the symptoms which are visible are removed, what happens? The outlet for expression of energy gets blocked. and it gets transformed, affecting the internal organs. So energy cannot be destroyed, it has to find out the other outlet. Manifestation of disturbed energy seen on skin at first. So changes on skin gives rise to deeper system. So changes on skin, if you remove the deeper system like respiratory system, GIT system gets affected. So, manifestation of disturbed energy in the form of signs and symptoms is seen on skin at first. And as soon as the modern medicine removes these visible symptoms, the disease goes more deeper, affecting various vital organs. So you have to remember that whenever the visible symptoms are there on skin, these are the expression of internal deranged vital force. So vital energy gets expressed on the skin. The vital force and vital energy are synonymous. Vital energy is the name preferred by Dr. Hahnemann in the 6th edition. So the explanation is this: vital force. Force means mass into acceleration. Energy does not have any mass. Hence, he changed the name to vital energy. So, this disturbed vital energy expresses on the skin, and the treatment must be to modify this vital energy and not to remove the symptoms on the skin. So obviously when the symptoms on skin are removed, the energy gets diverted inside and affecting various systems. So allopath removes whatever visible outside on skin. Example, warts, acne, corn, eczema, which are caused never by external injury, but they are seen visibly on the skin. Disease is seen externally on skin does not mean the cause is external. So the example of warts, acne, corn and eczema, the cause is never an external injury. So these symptoms on skin when removed by modern medicine practitioner by external application like ointment, surgery and cautery, what happens? The noxious stimuli like bacteria, parasite are killed by the administration of the drugs. So it cannot remove the tendency of the disease. So the local application just removes the external symptom, but this external symptom was expression of inside disturbed vital energy. This vital energy then finds its way by affecting various internal organs. Thus, the modern medicine cannot remove the tendency to form the diseases. Homeopathic remedy modifies the energy release. Manifestations on skin are not removed by any external application. Treatment is by internal homeopathic medicine. By modifying susceptibility, tendency to suffer from disease is removed and immunity gets better. That is the added advantage. So the immune system is in the improved state now. So homeopathic treatment modifies the susceptibility, and whenever the internal homeopathic medicine is given, the external symptom also gets cured. And in addition, the tendency to suffer from disease is also removed. Homeopathic treatment doesn't directly act on the bacteria, viruses, or parasites. The homeopathic treatment is on at or it is having the effect on the susceptibility and never on the noxious stimuli directly. It stimulates natural immune system and the fighting mechanism of the immune system takes care of these pathogens, which are nothing but bacteria, viruses, or parasites. So this is immune system gets better, hence the tendency to suffer from disease is removed. When the internal dyscrasia found its way to express on skin, and if this external expression is removed by ointments, then like a pressure cooker, the internal disturbance now finds another gateway, another channel to express itself on another system. So in suppression, what happens is that disease changes its location, which we call it in modern medicine term metastasis. Example, skin eruption is removed by ointment, patient gets asthma. So suppression, the concept is that disease changes the location due to various suppressive measures which are done unknowingly, ignorantly by the physician, and this is not done in homeopathy. Homeopathy is administering the internal medicine which modifies the internal disorder and cure is the result. So how to assess whether we are having if history of suppression in the patient? If he is coming with the old symptoms return back after the administration of the homeopathic remedy, then homeopathy is successful in treating the suppression. So this was the explanation on the concept of suppression. Thank you.